everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. It's time to check in with my little short, small project pan I'm working on. This is a 3-month, 4-month project pan. It's going until the end of April, so this is my first check-in. I have 6 products. I'm not rolling anything into this. It's just when the items go, they're gone. And then, yeah, that's my goal, to use these up by the end of April. So let's get started with what I actually used up, because I did actually. First, I used up this body wash. It's all gone. There's just a little trickle in there, but it's gone, so yay. So that's one out. And then I used up my Cover FX Power Play Concealer. I could take the stopper out and scrape the sides. I'm not one of these people who is a completionist and have to absolutely get every drop out. This served its purpose, and this is an excellent concealer. I would repurchase. It's on sale on Beautylish, but not in my colors. I don't know if it's been discontinued because most of the colors are sold out. So I don't know. I haven't really looked for it though. I'm not going to buy it again until maybe after, you know, my life settles down a bit more. But for now, because I have other concealers. But yes, I did use that up and definitely would purchase that again. Okay, now next, here is my body spray from Bath & Body Works, the Maui Hibiscus. There's where we started, and there's where I am now. So let's mark it. I did pretty good with this. Maybe by next check-in it'll be done. That would be great. There we go. Made a pretty good dent in it. I have discovered this is not my favorite scent. This is okay. It's okay, but I like other tropical scents better than Maui Hibiscus. It doesn't have anything about notes or anything. So yeah, there we go. Next, this one I can't mark because I don't know where I'm at. I did use quite a bit of this, so it's feeling a lot lighter. So, but I have no idea where I'm at. This is one. It's so opaque I can't see through it to tell. I can't tell by feeling. I don't know. But yeah, I'm gonna keep going on that one. Next, my Tart face tape. That's where I was, and it's hard to see, but you know, through the viewfinder, but I'll draw a line right under where it is. So that's where we're at. Oh, my hand's shaking. The top of that line is where the product begins, and it goes up to there. So yeah, about a finger's width. I like this foundation. I don't plan on purchasing it again, but I did like it. I liked it a lot, so there we go. Nothing bad about it. And then last is this Tony Moly green tea water essence. I don't use this every day. I really should. There's where I was. Let me look. There's some like splattered up on the side. Okay, I have splattered it all over the sides because I dropped it. I'm dropping everything. I just dropped the top of my Sharpie. That's where it actually is, because I got product up everywhere. But that's how much I've used. So, grab the Sharpie top. Pretty good. I could use this more, and I need to focus on this some more. I want to get this out. I think I'm doing really well on these, and I thought I did better on this than I was expecting. So, yay, not bad for this check-in. 2 used up, 4 to go. Thank you all for watching. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, I'd love it if you would subscribe. Any questions or comments, just leave them down below. Again, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.